What's up, y'all? Ian Hood here. This is Krump Made Simple. Today we're gonna go over arm placements. Before we get into the big shooting out and all that jazz, arm placements are just as important as jabbing and arm swinging, which will be in later videos. So check those out. But an arm placement, there's three main arm placements which allow your arms to go into different areas. Okay, so the first one is this right here, with strongman pose. Okay, so if I'm in my stance 1, stance 2, stance 3, they all look different, they all feel different because I'm standing, I'm grounded in a different way. Number 2 is here. Okay, this allows you to, actually I ain't even gonna explain that yet. So you have here, you can do the same thing. Boom. Number 3, here. Okay, so you have those three. Now, this pose, this arm placement allows your arms to move in this general dimension. Okay, this is the Krump dimension. Now, if we're here, our arms naturally move upwards. So this is the live dimension. This allows our arms to go up. So now you have here, boom, okay? And then you have here, which is downwards. This is the buck dimension. You hear me use these terms in a lot more videos coming, okay? So this allows you to play like this, yeah? Simple as exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you can bounce with it slowly. So if we do this for 16, 1. You can even change your hand signs. See what I mean? I'm keeping my bounce and I'm changing my arm placements. Okay, so you can repeat that, pause the video, do whatever you need to get more feel of it, and then let's get a little bit more crazy with it. Anywhere your arm place, anywhere your elbows are, is where or what an arm placement can be. Now you can really play with this. So for example, you've seen me out here, you've seen me out here, up here, down here. These are all different arm placements and they feel really good. So even if I'm here with this pose, boom, I can just be out here. Here, bring it in. Or I can go here, bring it here. Bring it down, then bring it up. You see what I mean? So again, there's that inside out game. Inside, middle, out. Now you can just boom, bah, bang. And then do it again. Right here, boom, bang, bang. Woo. You see what I mean? There's so much to play with just based off of these three simple, very simple arm placements. If you want to get crazy, then you can move your arms and move your elbows everywhere, okay? But what you want to do, the most important thing with an arm placement is you actually want to place them. You don't just want to go straight into something. You don't want to be like this. If you want people to see your picture, boom, or your arm placement, you want to change, you want to hold something, and then you want to move. So even here, you can bounce and then move and then change. Boom, change, boom, change, feel, change, bang, change. Yeah? So remember, inside, middle, outside. All right, so an extra tip is something that we call shaping in Krump. And what shaping is creating shapes, even as weird as they can be, like weird things. They create different pictures. So picture frames. Think of this as a frame, right? You posing, but you're changing your arm placement each time. When you change your arm placement, you can change your stance as well. Bang, boom, boom. Or you can hold, change your stance, and then change, bang, boom. Right? Make sure that there's that flow. You want to go one at a time. So this is what it looks like to really add arm placements into your round with all the other basics that we've gone through already. Placements. Really allow yourself to explore this. I can't stress it enough. Your creativity is key to expanding your Krump, to getting to know yourself and how your body moves, what it likes, and where you get to feel really like you. Beautiful session, y'all. So much love to you. This is Krump Made Simple. Tell all your friends. Peace.